Hi, my name is Craig Verbeck. I hope you enjoyed this travel video on Maui, Hawaii. At the end of this video, I have a surprise for Anita. Keep it a secret, and I hope to get it on video. And then it goes to this waterfall on the road to Hana.
Maui.
Woohoo! Here we are at the waterfall. Let's see if we can get a better picture of it. Two Bear Falls, Mama Bear, Papa Bear, and Baby Bear. We are about ready to go into this cave.
It's a lava tunnel. See that little small hole? Let's go.
Beautiful waterfall here in Maui. And beautiful flowers for a beautiful girl. And it follows this creek. That was some good chicken you were cooking. At Black Sand Beach.
Right outside of Hana, Maui.
This is one of the biggest waterfalls in Maui.
Called Wahula Falls, and it's over 80 feet tall.
Woo! Here's a small little church on this island. Here's our campsite for the day.
Craig's gonna try surfing today, so hopefully I'll bring him back alive.
Right in there was a perfect spot to snorkel. It's all kind of sea turtles and a variety of fish. Wow, this is very beautiful. Here's the resort where the conference is at. But just in a few more days, I am going to surprise Anita. Anita is an awesome lady. She has so many wonderful qualities. She's loving, she's respectful, she's very kind. I can go on and on. She's funny, she's adventurous, which I love about her. She is so beautiful inside and out. You know what's the greatest part about Anita? Is she is such a great communicator with this sparkling personality and this beautiful smile. What I love about Anita is we have so much in common. We share the same values, dreams, and goals. I love that Anita is humble with a positive attitude and a grateful heart. What's cool about Anita is that she's a Christian. She loves God, she loves people. She also comes from a great family. Fantastic parents, wonderful kids, and awesome friends. I am so blessed to be a part of her life. I love how adventurous she is, always going on trips with me.
And always wanting to snorkel.
Yeah.
So he's good about going with me snorkeling. So I appreciate that.
What I love about Anita is we have so much in common. We have the same personality style, same love language. I love that she puts a lot of importance on family and friends and relationships. What I love about her is that she's a professional, and all the hard work, dedication, determination, the drive that it took to become a professional. On February 20th, Thursday, will be Anita and I's 4-year anniversary. 4 years ago today, we went on our very first date. And I'm going to take her to this resort here. We're going to have dinner. We're going to watch the sunset. I'm going to randomly ask someone to take a picture. Then afterwards, I'm going to have them take a video. And then I'm going to ask Anita that important question. I hope she says yes.
Ryan,
2 more days, we'll be celebrating our 4-year anniversary. 4 years ago today, we went on our very first date. My heart hasn't been the same since.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. This is a place I'm going to take Anita for our special date on our anniversary. And it has this beautiful waterfall. Let's go in, check it out. Wow, this place is beautiful. I hope she'll be surprised tonight. I'm going to take her to a nice dinner at this resort, watch the sunset, celebrate our anniversary. I also made picture books of the last 4 years of all the events and all the special moments that we shared. How do you like your book?
I love my new books. Volume 1 and Volume 2 of our 4 years of dating. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Love them. This is the life, honey.
Here's where we're going to be eating. What do you think, honey? Beautiful sunset on our anniversary. We are having our 4-year anniversary. 4 years ago today, we had our first date at Wildcat Den. My heart hasn't been the same since. This is my dream girl, who I love, cherish, and value. Are you enjoying the evening?
It's been great.
Okay. I'm gonna say a couple of nice things about it. No, you stay, wait. It's only gonna take a second. Okay. Anita is an awesome lady who I love, cherish, and value tremendously.
He's awesome too.
She's loving, she's smart, she's wise, has adventure. She's very adventurous and has a wonderful personality. Should I go on?
No.
No. Okay. Wait, but I do got a present for her. Got a present for her. Right here. Yeah, right here. Anita. Louise Casey Pence, will you do the great honor of marrying me?
I'd love to.
Yeah. Yes. You're welcome. Thanks. We just got engaged in Maui.
Yay!
Woohoo!
We just got done snorkeling too, so we have snorkel faces.